Hi children. Now, shall I tell you a story?
Bob.
Do you want to listen the story, children?
Listen, teacher.
Yes. Can you see the picture, children? Beautiful picture. What do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? Birds, nest is there, eggs are there, field, farmer. Is it not? By seeing the picture, I want to tell you a story. Shall I start? Yes. See here, one beautiful bird. Can you see the beautiful bird?
Yes, teacher.
Picture of the bird. Do you know the name of the bird? Yeah, it's a Tyler bird. It's a cute bird. It is a great engineer. Do you know that, children? Yes, she builds its nest very beautifully. Beautiful nest. It builds its nest very beautifully. See how it is building its nest. See, it collected all the leaves and it is stitching like that. Very good, no? Yes. Now see, she completed her nest. Do you know one day where did it build its nest? Can you guess? Can you guess? Yeah, it built its nest in a, come on, guess the answer. Yes, in a field. Yes, in a field it builds its nest. And what do it do after nest? Building nest. Yes, it laid eggs in it. What do come out from the nest? What do come out? Come on, guess. Yes, chicks come out. Is it not? The chicks came out and they are growing day by day. They are growing day by day. One day, farmer visited the field. He visited the field and he is looking after his field every day. His field is, what happens? Come to reap. One day we have to cut the field, is it not? The crop will come, we have to cut the field. Here farmer's crop is also grown, it is ready to cut. So he said one day, I should cut my field. I should cut my field. So for reaping this field, I go to the neighbor and ask his help. Saying like this, he went home. Birds waited curiously for their mother because the, they built the nest in the field. Farmer is going to cut. They were very much afraid. Oh my God, mother, mother. Bird asked, what happened now? The bird said hurriedly, mother, mother, see, the farmer is going to cut his crop with his neighbor. He asked his neighbor's help and cut the crop tomorrow. Then the mother said, no, no, don't worry about that. We cannot leave the place today. I will think for tomorrow. She telling like this, she went away again in the morning in search of food. Again, farmer came. Oh my God, the crop is turned yellow. It has turned yellow. I should cut myself. I should cut myself tomorrow. Definitely, I come and cut. Saying like this, he went home. Again, bird hurriedly said, waited for mother and said, oh, mother. Again, farmer said he is going to cut his field tomorrow. He is going to cut his field tomorrow himself. Then mother, as soon as heard this, he shifted the babies. He shifted her babies to the safety place. Then mother asked, mother was very happy. Next day, farmer harvested his crop and they both are safe here. Then bird has one doubt. What is that, you know? Bird asked mother, mother, when I told you the farmer is going to cut his crop with the help of his friend, you did not bother with the help of his neighbor. You did not bother. But today you hurriedly shifted us. You put us in a safety place. Please answer, mother, she asked. Children, she has a doubt. If anybody know the answer, please tell me why first day she neglected Why she shifted second day? Can anybody answer me, children?
That is safe, madam. First day,
Amma?
he thought,
Hmm.
first day it is safe. Again, he
First day
thought
it is
that
safe. Hmm.
second day, he thought that what will happen?
Hmm.
He was scared what will happen. That's why he...
Yes. Shall I tell you, children? First day,
Cause it is filled with
first day
another.
he has taken the help of the neighbor. The bird thought that if it depend on others, the work may or may not happen. Is it not? The work may not happen. That is why it did not shift the babies. Second day, why did it shift hurriedly on the second day? Why did it shift? Yes, children, many answers. Yes, I'm very happy to see the answers here. Okay, I will tell the answer. Okay, because second day he depended himself. He did not depend on others. He wanted to do his work of his own. So the bird was afraid the work will be completed. That's why it shifted. Is it not? Shall I ask you, did you enjoy the story, children? I forget one thing. I forget one thing. Did you forget? In storytelling, I did one mistake. What is that? Yes, I did not tell the name. I forgot the name. Come on, children. You type in the chat box the name of the story. Right title. Shall I show my title, children? What is my title? Shall I show you? You keep on typing till
Yes,
I
ma'am.
show my. Come on, read.
Man, very
Farmer
good.
and man. Very good. Very good answers. Good response. So you have understood the story. Yes.
Mother love.
My. Yes. Come on. See, come on, read out my title, all of you. What is, yes. Self help is the
Is
best
the
help.
best help.